Hi, everybody, and here is the quiz review, and we'll take a look at it like we usually do. It'll just take a few minutes. So, this quiz number 3 covers hypothetical syllogisms, categorical syllogisms, and enthymemes. So, you'll get a few questions on hypothetical syllogisms in general, and then 6 questions like the assignment we did on hypothetical syllogisms, and then a few about categorical syllogisms in general, meaning terms and premises, and then 8 questions like the assignment we did on enthymemes. So have your PowerPoints on these and your handouts ready, and you have 60 minutes for this one. So let's take a look at the questions like we did before. Okay, so for your first bunch of general questions, you've got these general questions on hypothetical syllogisms, that is. And then you need to choose the correct evaluation for a handful of them here. Then a few general questions on enthymemes, and then some questions like the ones we did in that assignment. So take a notice really quickly. First, like you'll see that there's 2 questions using um, the same example. So, like here, all thieves are criminals and all criminals are. You know what? Let me get back to that one. I'm just going to show you the rest of the test, and then we'll go through and I'll point out particulars. Okay. So for these general ones, you can handle those on your own. They're coming straight off a handout and the PowerPoints. Um, let's answer uh, one of these. We'll answer the first one. So, if you take a plane from Houston to Lindbergh Field, then you'd be in San Diego. And as it turns out, you are in San Diego. Therefore, you took a plane from Houston to Lindbergh Field. So, your task is to choose the right evaluation. Is it valid modus ponens, valid modus tollens, invalid affirming the consequent, or invalid denying the antecedent? And this one happens to be invalid affirming the consequent. You've got if X, then Y, therefore X, and that fits this pattern here. So there's one answer, but just be careful because if you notice, these are already standardized with the if-then statement, then the second premise, and the conclusion. Premise, premise, conclusion. Same with this one. This one changes up. It doesn't come in that premise, premise, conclusion. The conclusion is here in the middle. So be careful and make sure that you put them in proper order before you look for the formula. Same with this one. Here, the conclusion comes first, right? And then here, the conclusion comes first. So just keep that in mind, okay? Um, then we've got this stuff coming right off of the PowerPoint and handout for this section of material. And then back to what I was saying before. Notice that these 2 questions or these 2 examples of an enthymeme are exactly the same. So here, this pattern will repeat itself. So let's go through this one. All thieves are criminals, and all criminals are dangers to society. And first you're asked, what is missing from this enthymeme? And then which one of the following would complete and the enthymeme to form a valid categorical syllogism? So they're both pertaining to the same example. And then notice, same here, same 2 questions repeat themselves. What's missing How do you complete it? What's missing? How do you complete it? What's missing? How do you complete it? So I'll do the first one here. So what's missing from this first one is the conclusion, and we know that because there's no indicator words. There are no premise indicators or conclusion indicators. You have two propositions combined with an and. That means you've got two premises. So what's missing from this enthymeme is the conclusion. And then which of the following would complete the enthymeme to form a valid categorical syllogism? And then here's the answer. All thieves are dangers to society. So when you're choosing the right answer, make sure that you're figuring out what the middle term is, and how to and that you are ending up with a valid categorical syllogism. Okay. Okay, that's it, everybody. Good luck, and let me know if you need anything.